Hello, everybody. Cam Harati here. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer at Cleverly, the #1 B2B lead generation agency for SMBs. And today I'll be walking you through how to send InMails on LinkedIn. If you know who you're looking for, LinkedIn is an absolute goldmine of professional contacts, and billions of dollars in business transactions are made on the platform every single day, with messaging being a key driver. You can send messages to your first degree connections or members of your groups with no problem, and you can send connection requests with a short message to someone outside your network and hope you entice them enough to accept. InMails, on the other hand, allow you to get a full message directly in the inbox of almost anyone on the platform without sending an invite. Users can choose to not receive InMails in their preferences, so for those people, InMails won't be an option. You do need a premium LinkedIn subscription to take advantage of InMails, and different plan types have different InMail credit allocations. The one I have, Sales Navigator, gives you the most at 50 credits per month. All plans allow you to accumulate 3 months worth before they expire, so I have 150 right now since I haven't used mine in a while. The reason I haven't had to use any of my credits is because you can also send free InMails to any premium subscriber that has an open profile. So how do you actually send an InMail? Easy. Find the profile of your ideal target, click on the message button below their profile, enter your subject, and type out your message of up to 2,000 characters and hit send. Let's try it out here with Chase. So here I'll go to More. Message Chase opens up Sales Navigator, where I'll hit message again. And here we go, subject line, message, using one of 150 remaining credits. You can also see how many remaining credits you have here, which is useful. But the content of your message is the real important part here. Since you have limited credits, you'll want to put more care into each message to ensure you get the most out of them. So here are some tips on how to send effective InMails and get a higher response rate. Number one is be brief and direct. Although you have up to 2,000 characters and it can be tempting to include all the details of why working with you will save them time and make them money, sending a short and straightforward message is smarter and will start the conversation for you. LinkedIn themselves actually ran a study that confirms this, stating that shorter InMail messages of under 800 characters have above average response rates, while longer ones have below average response rates. Whoever you're messaging is most likely very busy, gets lots of messages, so make it easy for them to read and digest your note. A few lines of essential info like why you're reaching out to them and what you'd like them to do should suffice. Number two is be personal. Templates can save you a lot of time, but they're just not as effective in InMails. This is your opportunity to get directly into the inbox of your ideal target, so be as personal as possible. That same LinkedIn study I mentioned also backs this up, revealing that personalized InMails have a 15% higher response rate than those sent in bulk. If you must use templates, take a minute or two to add customization and some interest in the recipient before you hit send. Number three, capture their interest. Include something that can spark their interest, like a recent post, an intriguing bit you read on their profile, or something you have in common with them. A little research definitely pays off. Their interest and the content they put out can be excellent sources of information to craft an attractive InMail. And if they post, they likely put that content out there for engagement, so feed into that. Lastly is include the next steps. Having a clear call to action will increase the odds of getting a reply, but don't make it too complicated. A simple request like asking for advice or a referral or setting up future contact will work well. So now that you know the basics of sending InMails, it's time to incorporate them into your LinkedIn strategy. They're a highly effective tool in your outreach arsenal that can help you reach out to prospective employees, B2B decision makers, or even your next employer without having an established connection first. If you're struggling to send effective LinkedIn messages or just need some help, Cleverly is here for you. Our website is full of free resources that anticipate every twist and turn on your LinkedIn journey. We can also help you build an effective and tailored LinkedIn strategy, from prospecting and sending messages to posting content and closing deals. Contact us to set up a free consultation, and good luck with your InMail sending.